I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Yaris bonnet without a key. First, you'll need to find the bonnet release lever inside the car's cabin. This lever is usually located on the driver's side, often near the footwell or just below the dashboard. Once you've found it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a click, indicating that the primary bonnet latch has been released. This is the first crucial step to gaining access. After pulling the interior release, head to the front of your Toyota Yaris. The bonnet will now be slightly ajar, creating a small gap along its front edge. Carefully look into this gap, usually around the center or slightly to one side. You're searching for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the bonnet from flying open completely after the initial release, adding an extra layer of security. It's often a small lever or hook. Now, with the secondary latch located, you'll need to manipulate it to fully open the bonnet. Depending on your Yaris model, this might involve pushing a small lever to the side, or perhaps pulling a hook upwards. Sometimes, it helps to apply a slight upward pressure on the bonnet itself while you're working the latch. Once this secondary mechanism is disengaged, the bonnet will be free to lift completely, giving you full access to the engine bay. With both latches released, you can now fully lift the bonnet. Be sure to use the prop rod, which is usually attached to the underside of the bonnet, to hold it securely in the open position. Always ensure the prop rod is firmly seated in its designated slot to prevent the bonnet from accidentally falling. This ensures your safety while you're working under the hood. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.